Okay, my last video got cut off a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. I apologize for that. So just to sort of wrap this up here, okay? So we kind of got our point D here. And so, again, point D is going to be our center. So if we hit D in there, in this little input box here, it'll give us the coordinates of point D. So negative 0.1 and then 5.9. All right, so negative 0.1 and negative 5.9 is our coordinates for D. So if we go here, I just put D at negative 0.1 and negative 5.9. Okay, and now that's going to be the center of our circle here. Okay, again, point D, which we have down here, is the center of the circle. And so if we do a circle with the center from D to there, okay, that's the center of a circle that encompasses points A, B, and C using the perpendicular bisectors there. Okay, so that kind of takes care of that whole thing. Okay, so now the next thing that the notes talked about is, okay, we got the coordinates of D. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll use the distance formula to find the radius and then our circle equation. So I did the distance formula down here, and the distance formula helps us find the radius. So I have this written down here, okay? And I used just point A as our point. Where did it go? All right, so I used point A as our point 32, right? So we did 3 minus negative 1, okay, which is really 3 minus negative 0.1, excuse me. 3 minus negative 0.1, which is really 3 plus 0.1 squared. Okay, and on the second thing, we had 2 plus or minus negative 5.9, which is really plus 5.9 squared. Okay, and so we did the distance formula with that. So we had 3.1 squared plus 7.9 squared, and we square rooted that, and we got 8.5. And we could always sort of check ourselves here if we wanted to do the distance from D to B, 8.4, 8.5, pretty close rounding thing right there if we were to just find that distance. Okay, so that's our radius, 8.5. Okay, well, now we have our H and our K as our center, point D, negative 0.1, negative 5.9. And so now there's our circle equation right there. Okay, x plus 0.1 squared plus y plus 5.9 squared equals 8.5. And so that's something that we can do with the perpendicular bisectors and finding the center of a circle given any 3 points. Okay, so that's that. I'm sorry the first video cut off. I have to find a new thing to use on here that doesn't make my thing freeze up. But that's that. And let me know if you have any questions. You can try the 3 problems on the back using GeoGebra. And good luck. Thank you.